During this lesson, we are going to work on division. Question 1. 40 divided by 4 is 10, because 10 times 4 is 40. 20 divided by 2 is 10, because 10 times 2 is 20. Press pause to complete question 1 by yourself. Press play when you are ready for question 2. Question 2. 39 divided by 3. This is the long broken up method way to do it, but we are going to focus on the short method. 3 fits into 3 once, and 3 fits into 9 3 times. Let's look at A. 2 fits into 4 twice, and 2 fits into 2 once. Let's do B together. 3 fits into 6 twice, and 3 fits into 3 once to give us an answer of 21. Press pause to complete question 2 by yourself. Question 3. Our example is 42 divided by 3. 3 fits into 4 once, remainder 1, and 3 fits into 12 4 times. Let's do A together. Get out your pen to do so. 3 fits into 4 once, remainder 1, and 3 fits into 15 5 times. Let's do C together. 4 fits into 5 once, remainder 1, and 4 fits into 12 3 times. Press pause to complete question 3 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark your answers on this page. Question 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Let's do this one together. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore, 40 divided by 2 is 20. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Press pause to complete question 4. Question 5. 64 divided by 4. 4 fits into 6 once, remainder 2, and 4 fits into 24 6 times. Let's do B together. 3 fits into 5 once, remainder 2, and 3 fits into 24 8 times, because 3 times 8 is 24. Press pause to complete question 5. Question 6. 72 divided by 3. 3 fits into 7 twice, remainder 1, and 3 fits into 12 4 times. Let's do C together. 4 fits into 9 twice, remainder 1, and 4 fits into 12 3 times. Press pause to complete question 6 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark the answers of this page. Worksheet 2. 100 divided by 1 is 100, and 200 divided by 2 is also 100. Let's do A together. 3 divided by 3 is 1, therefore 300 divided by 3 is 100. Press pause to complete question 1 by yourself. Question 2. 312 divided by 3. 3 fits into 3 once. 3 fits into 1 0 times. Therefore, we look at the 12. 3 fits into 12 4 times. Let's do A together. 4 fits into 4 once. 4 fits into 1 0 times. And 4 fits into 16 4 times. Press pause to complete question 2. Question 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Therefore, 120 divided by 4 is 30. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, 120 divided by 3 is 40. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Therefore, 180 divided by 3 is 60. Press pause to complete question 3. Question 4. 129 divided by 3. 3 fits into 1 0 times, but a number never starts with 0, so we just write down a dot. Then we look into the 12. 3 fits into 12 4 times, and 3 fits into 9 3 times. Let's do A together. 2 fits into 1 0 times. It can't fit into 1. But a number never starts with 0, so we write down a dot. Then we say 2 fits into 12 6 times, and 2 fits into 6 3 times. Press pause to complete question 4. When you are done, use the memo to mark all your answers on this page. Question 5. 3 can't fit into 1, so we put down a dot. Then 3 fits into 13 4 times, remainder 1, and then 3 fits into 12 4 times. Let's do C together. 4 can't fit into 1, 4 fits into 13 3 times, remainder 1, and 4 fits into 16 4 times. Press pause to complete question 5. Question 6. 264 divided by 4. 4 can't fit into 2, so we put down a dot. 4 fits into 26 6 times, because 4 times 6 is 24. Therefore, the remainder is 2. And 4 fits into 24 6 times as well. Let's do D together. 6 can't fit into 2. 6 into 24 is 4 times, because 6 times 4 is 24. Therefore, the remainder is 2. And 6 fits into 24 4 times. Press pause to complete question 6. When you are done, use the memo to mark your answers on this page. Worksheet 3. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Therefore, 490 divided by 7 is 70. Let's look at this question. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Therefore, 240 divided by 8 is 30. Press pause to complete question 1. Question 2. 7 can't fit into 2. 7 fits into 28 4 times, and 7 fits into 7 once. Look at B. 8 fits into 8 once. 8 can't fit into 3, so we write a 0. And 8 fits into 32 4 times. Press pause to complete question 2. Question 3. These are a little bit more challenging. Let's look at C. 7 can't fit into 5. 7 fits into 58 8 times, because 7 times 8 is 56. Therefore, our remainder is 2. And 7 fits into 28 4 times. Press pause to complete question 3. When you are done, use the memo to mark all your answers. Worksheet 4. 3 fits into 3 once. 3 fits into 1 0 times. 3 fits into 13 4 times with a remainder of 1. Let's look at B. 6 fits into 6 once. 6 fits into 1 0 times. 6 fits into 19 3 times, remainder 1. Press pause to complete question 1. Question 2. 3 can't fit into 1. 3 fits into 12 4 times. 3 fits into 8 twice, remainder 2. Press pause to complete question 2. When you are done, use the memo to mark your answers. Question 3. 3 can't fit into 1. 3 fits into 13 4 times, remainder 1. And 3 fits into 14 4 times, remainder 2. Press pause to complete question 3. Question 4. 4 can't fit into 2. 4 fits into 26 6 times, remainder 2. And 4 fits into 27 6 times, remainder 3. Let's do D together. 6 can't fit into 2. 6 fits into 26 4 times, because 6 times 4 is 24, so the remainder is 2. Then 6 fits into 27 4 times, remainder 3. Press pause to answer question 4. Use the memo to mark all your answers when you are done. Question 5. 7 can't fit into 3. 7 fits into 31 4 times, because 7 times 4 is 28, therefore the remainder is 3. 7 fits into 37 5 times, because 7 times 5 is 35, therefore the overall remainder is 2. Let's do H together. 7 can't fit into 4. 7 fits into 40 5 times, because 7 times 5 is 35, therefore the remainder is 5. 7 fits into 57 8 times, because 7 times 8 is 56, therefore the overall remainder is 1. Press pause to complete question 5 by yourself. Worksheet 5. 12 can't fit into 1. 12 fits into 13 once, remainder 1. And 12 fits into 12 once. Press pause to complete question 1 by yourself. Use the memo to mark your answers when you are done. Question 2. We are dividing by 12. On the side, 12 times 2 is 24. So 12 can't fit into 2. 12 fits into 25 twice, remainder 1. And 12 fits into 12 once. Therefore the answer is 21. Let's look at E. We're dividing by 13. On the side, 13 times 2 is 26. 13 can't fit into 2. 13 fits into 28 twice, remainder 2. And 13 fits into 26 twice. Press pause to complete question 2 by yourself. Question 3. We are dividing by 12. Let's write out some multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48. Now, 12 can't fit into 3, but 12 fits into 39 3 times, because 12 times 3 is 36. Therefore, the remainder is 3, and 12 fits into 36 3 times. Let's do E together, so get out your pen. We're dividing by 13, so let's write out some multiples of 13. 13, 26, 39. Now 13 can't fit into 4, but 13 fits into 40 3 times, because 13 times 3 is 39. Therefore the remainder is 1, and 13 fits into 13 once. Press pause to complete question 3. Question 4. We have some multiplication questions to help us with the next question. Do them by yourself and try and do them mentally without a calculator. When you are done with this page, use the memo to mark all your answers. Question 5. We're dividing by 13. So again, let's write out some multiples of 13. 13, 26, 39, and the next one is 52. Now, 13 can't fit into 4. The biggest number of times that 13 can fit into 46 is 3 times, because 3 times 13 is 39. Now to work out our remainder, this 3 represents 3 tens, or 30. So we say 30 times 13. 3 times 13 is 39. times another 10 is 390. We minus this from our original number to get a remainder of 78. Now, we need to figure out how many times 13 fits into 78. So let's go back to our multiples of 13. After 52 plus another 13, we're going to get 65. I'm going to write it up here. Then plus another 13 is 78. Therefore, we see that 6 times 13, the sixth multiple of 13 is 78. Therefore, 13 fits into 78 6 times, and 6 times 13 is 78, so our remainder is 0. Look at example 2 by yourself, but get out your pen so that we can complete A together. We are dividing by 12, so on your worksheet or on a separate piece of paper, write out some multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36. I'm going to stop there because there's 33 there. So 12 can't fit into 3, but it fits into 33, the largest number of times, twice. Now to work out our remainder, 20 times 12 is 240. So we minus to get our remainder, which is 96. You can check that by yourself. Now, if you know your 12 times table, you know that 12 fits into 96 8 times exactly. If you do not know your 12 times tables, then continue writing out your multiples until you get to 96. Next, let's complete question F together. Now we're dividing by 14. So our multiples of 14 are 14, 28. Then 28 plus another 14 is 42. I'm going to stop there so long because we only have 32 there. 14 can't fit into 3. The biggest number of times that 14 can fit into 32 is twice. Then that 2 represents 20. So 20 times 14 is 280. Then we minus to get our remainder, which is 42. And we can easily see from the side here that 14 fits into 43 3 times exactly. Use what you have learned to complete the whole of question 5 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark all your answers. Worksheet 6. In our example, we are dividing by 15. So let's write out some multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45. I'm going to stop there because it's only 42 there. 15 can't fit into 4. The largest number of times that 15 can fit into 42 is 2 times. Then 20 times 15 is 300. And we minus to get our remainder. Now we need to figure out how many times 15 fits into 107. So 15 times 3 or 45 is very far from 107. So let's use some estimation on the side. 15 times 10 is an easy one because it's 150. Now, 150 is quite a bit bigger than 105. So let's estimate on the side 15 times 7. And we see that 15 times 7 is exactly 105. We need to fit into 107, so the largest number of times that 15 is going to fit in there is 7 times. Now, 7 times 15 is only 105, so we minus to get our overall remainder of 2. Get out your pen so that we can do question C together. We're dividing by 13, so we have 13, 26, and then 39. 13 can't fit into 3. The biggest number of times that 13 can fit into 35 is 2 times, or twice. Then 20 times 13 is going to give us 260. So we minus, and our remainder is 98. Now we need to figure out how many times 13 fits into 98. So let's do some estimation. 13 times 10 is 130, which is quite near to 98, but not quite there. So I reckon we need to do 13 times 7 or 13 times 8. Let's try 13 times 7. 21, 91. So we see the biggest number of times that 13 is going to fit into 98 is 7 times, to get an answer of 91. 7 times 13 we know is 91, with a remainder of 7. 13 doesn't fit into 7, so our overall remainder is 7. Press pause to complete the rest of this page by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark your answers. Worksheet 7. We're dividing by 12, so let's look at the short method. 12 can't fit into 1, but 12 fits into 12 once. 12 can't fit into 2, so we write down our 0. Very important. Then 12 fits into 24 twice. Let's look at C. 15 can't fit into 1, but 15 fits into 15 once. 15 can't fit into 3, so we write down our 0. Now 15 fits into 30 twice. Press pause to complete question 1 by yourself. Question 2. We're dividing by 12. 12 can't fit into 1, but 12 fits into 13 once, remainder 1. 12 fits into 12 once. Lastly, 12 fits into 4 0 times, remainder 4. Let's complete question E together. Get out your pens to do so. 11 can't fit into 3, but 11 fits into 35 3 times, remainder 2. 11 fits into 23 twice, because 11 times 2 is 22, so our remainder is 1. Now 11 fits into 14 once, remainder 3. Press pause to complete the rest of question 2 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark all your answers on this page.